It is not an academic argument. I actually think that that is something rather serious. This is the Constitution of Belize, and arguments in relation to whether or not the constitutional precondition of consultation, whether or not that was complied with, is not academic. It could never be academic. It has to be complied with for there to be any lawful exercise of governmental power. If the Constitution says you must consult, then you must consult. If you do not consult, then there's an argument there that you have undermined the principle of the rule of law, because why do we set that out there? And the Constitution is, it emphasizes this duty of consultation. It's not only that I send a letter. The Constitution says that it has to be meaningful, it has to be substantive, you have to allow a fair opportunity for there to be response, and there is case law that sets out what consultation actually means. And it could never be an academic point that there is this requirement in the Constitution. This particular case has nothing to do with the individuals involved. There is an issue because, of course, when you're speaking about career advancement, there are individual people who are affected, and that cannot be something that is understated. You have individuals who would have maintained that my career path would have left me here. That notwithstanding, the main part of the argument is that if there is a constitutional requirement, that must be followed.
Would you agree, however, that the post is too important that it couldn't be left vacant?
No, and I think that the principles here are important. We've done a bit of analysis and history on this, that the post has been vacant in the past. There's no urgency in relation to an appointment, and you have a public services commission. The issue is not necessarily the appointment itself. It has actually nothing to do with the office. It has nothing to do with the individuals in the office. It's a process claim.